Hi friends, we're going to do a series of Kaleidoscope tie-dye videos. I'm going to show you again with a black canvas, black base coat, and we have more vivid colors, blues and greens, and we're going to start 18 by 24 base coat first. Apologize, I have a dog underneath me. So we're just going to brush it out. I feel like you don't waste a lot of paint when you use a brush. You kind of can have more control over it. So brush it out like this. You can use any kind of brush you have at home. Doesn't have to even be an artist brush. Brush it out like this. Now you see all this excess? We don't want it too floodish, so I just take my cup on the end and just plop it back in there. After I remove that. Because artists are messy. If you're not messy, you're not an artist. Okay, that should be good enough. Get your sides. Or tape it, whatever you prefer. You can tape it if you're using a commission piece or you want it super nice on the edges. I have my torch. We're going to get rid of all these bubbles. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to center your color, whatever color you prefer to use, and then we're going to make circles. Layer the circles. Doesn't have to be on top of each other, just be on the side. So we're going to start with the center color. It's about the size I'd like. And my colors are blues and greens. We've got your aqua, an olive green, phthalo blue, and a metallic black. And they all have an additive of Sargent. Sargent acrylic pearlescent. It just adds shine and shimmer to your paintings. So we gotta get this make it like a circle. Okay, Ellie, you have to move. Ellie. Oh God. So follow the perimeter of your existing centerpiece, just like this. You can want about 1 or 2 inches spacing. Because with your base coat, it'll spread because there's movement already underneath it. This is my black. And this is my olive green. A little bit of blue. The blues are very strong in color. I'm going to do a little fun stuff. And then you can't, because you don't have a perfect square here, we're just going to follow the edges and then just kind of create our own lines here. Because in the end, it's going to look a masterpiece. I want a little bit more blue on the edges because blue is a beautiful color. And I think I'm pretty happy with that. So, so you got a hair dryer at home. You want to put it on a cool setting at a medium speed. You don't want it hot. And you're going to start at the center and work your way around. So we're going to start by the longest piece first. Wow. Ah! There you have it. I manipulated the middle to get a circle, and then everything else falls in place. And you can tell I made a mistake here because the cord stuck into the edge here. So you just pulled it down and it still created your kaleidoscope effect. So, and you can move this around if you'd like, but I like the way it is, so I'm not going to touch it. So happy painting. Enjoy. See you next time. Bye.